In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page settings on Google Sites quickly and easily. Google Sites is a fantastic tool for creating and managing your websites, offering various customization options. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to adjust your page settings for better organization and presentation. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Simply type Google Sites into the search bar and hit Enter. Once the search results load, click on the official Google Sites link to proceed. This will bring you to the Google Sites homepage. Alternatively, you can type sites.google.com directly into your browser's address bar if you prefer a more direct route. Now that you're on the Google Sites dashboard, you'll see a list of all your available sites. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to work on. And once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the site editor where you can access and modify various site elements. In the site editor, look to the right side of the screen and find the Pages tab. Click on it to reveal a list of pages currently on your site. Here you'll want to select the particular page you wish to adjust by clicking on its name. Doing so will open the editing interface for that specific page, giving you the ability to make necessary changes. Next, we need to access the Settings menu, where all the magic happens. To do this, look for the gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will bring up the Site Settings menu. In this menu, you'll find several options to tailor the appearance and functionality of your site. Let's begin with the Navigation menu. Head to the Navigation section to customize how visitors move through your site. Adjust settings like style, position, and visibility to ensure an intuitive and seamless user experience. Once you're satisfied with your navigation adjustments, move on to the Brand Image section. In the Brand Image section, you can update the visual identity of your site by changing the logo or banner image. A professional and cohesive brand image can significantly enhance your site's credibility and appeal. Beyond navigation and branding, the Settings menu offers further control over custom domains, viewer permissions, analytics integration, and announcement banners. Take a moment to explore these areas and make changes that align with your site's objectives and audience needs. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, it's important to save your changes. Simply click on the Done button, usually located at the bottom of the Settings menu. This action ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that your site reflects the latest updates. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your page settings on Google Sites. This knowledge will help you keep your site organized, user-friendly, and true to your branding. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy customizing.